So, to build off of the video that we did last night, just wanted to do a 3-minute guided meditation for those that really couldn't spend time being silent. So, just kind of get comfortable. Begin to become aware of your breath. How far down does it go? How deep is your breath? Allow yourself to be positioned in a way that your breath can really fill up the space within your body. So allow yourself to sit back, roll your shoulders back, create the space in your lower rib cage, and allow the expansion to just take place. Feel each breath fill up every space. As peace begins to settle and take over, become aware of the air around you, of the sound of the air around you. And of the noise that takes up the space within the air around you. Hear and listen without judgment. Don't name or identify the things that you hear. Just be aware that it is. And breathe. As the 3 minutes of listening to the sound around you comes to an end, gently become aware of the sound of your own breath. The sounds that your body makes, perhaps in your seat, and go further inward. become aware of the sounds that your body makes as it's trying to communicate with you. Once again, hold no judgments. Just listen. Know that the noises that you hear within yourself are just that. Give yourself the love and respect that you would give anyone else. And as the 3 minutes of time listening to your inner voice comes to an end, once again become aware of the sound of your breath. And just be still with your breath and appreciate the silence that surrounds you and the silence that you hold within you. Hold this moment for as long as you can. The next video will be a body scan. So if you have anything you need to write down from listening to your inner voice or to your joints in your body, or even from anything that comes from these meditations, write them and just have them written. You don't need to revisit them. They just are. Enjoy.